Ashish Ravi Shankar has emerged as the chief negotiator, looking at the way things have panned out. Remember, specifically the way opposition parties in Maharashtra took on BJP-led government. The Maharashtra government did allow the other like Ravi Shankar to actually take part in the negotiator and act as a mediator. And one of the main steps which is in the entire process taking place today is the former trustees of Shani Singnapur Temple. I just spoke to Trupti Desai a couple of minutes ago, and she told me that she has also been invited here to meet Shri Ravi Shankar in Pune. Although Shri Ravi Shankar is here for some routine office for religious discourse, but I'm told he has decided to take out at least 1 hour out of his schedule. Between 1 and 2 is when we are expecting all the stakeholders to talk to Shri Ravi Shankar. Remember, since day one, Trupti Desai led the protest towards Shani Singnapur Temple, and she, along with other women protesters, were detained by the police in Ahmednagar. After that, Ravi Shankar said that he is ready to act as a negotiator, and since the time Maharashtra government decided to solve this issue, all the parties and including Trupti Desai, the former and current trustees of Shani Singnapur Temple, the Maharashtra government representative, remember the collector was the one who led the meeting between women activists and Shani Singnapur Temple just yesterday. And although that meeting was inclusive, but this measure is being seen as a parallel methodology by the Maharashtra government to solve this issue as soon as possible.